Why would a database need an index? Can't it just remember where everything is? How would you send a prank letter to your friend when you don't even know their address? And why do we often compare database indexes to a library's index card system when we could compare it to something far more fun? Like an April Fool's prank. By the name, you might think a database index is some sort of top-secret list only accessible to the tech world's magicians. Or perhaps it's a fancy term for the latest diet trend sweeping Silicon Valley. Have you tried the database index? I've lost 3 gigabytes this week. Welcome, my aspiring coders and curious minds. I'm Karel, your CTO for this wild ride through the tech jungle, and today we're unraveling the mysteries of database indexes with a pinch of mischief. Loki would be proud. Now imagine you're planning the ultimate April Fool's prank. You've got 100 whoopee cushions and you need to place them at strategic locations to be as funny as possible. Without a plan, you're just a joker running around without anyone in sight. That's your database without an index. A prankster without direction. A database index, in reality, is like having a mischievous map that whispers, "Here's where you'll find your next victim." It's not about hoarding whoopee cushions, but knowing exactly where to put them for maximum effect. So, what's a database index, really? Think of it as the Maxter Prankster's Guide. It's a tool that databases use to speed up the search process. Instead of going through every record or opening every door in the office to find the perfect chair for your cushion, the index helps you zero in on the right spot almost instantly. It's like having inside knowledge of everyone's schedule, so you know precisely when the CEO will sit down for that hilarious cushion-induced surprise. When would you actually use a database index? Imagine it's April Fool's, and you're not just after any laugh. You want the crown of Prankster of the Year. Without an index, finding the perfect prank is like trying to find a whoopee cushion in a warehouse of regular cushions. It's exhausting. But with an index, it's like each prank is GPS tagged. You know where to go for the silent but deadly ones, the loud and embarrassing ones, and even the rare, self-inflating whoopee cushion for continuous fun. And it's not just about the laughs. In the digital realm, this means quicker access to data, efficient storage, and less time waiting for results to load. It's like having a fast-forward button for the boring parts of your prank planning, getting straight to the action. Imagine rigging an entire floor with whoopee cushions, and you've got a remote that sets them off in a perfectly timed sequence for maximum chaos. That's the power of a well-indexed database. Why use a database index over, say, flipping through every record manually? Well, unless you enjoy the digital equivalent of watching paint dry, an index is your ticket to the fast lane. Not to mention that it's April Fool's. So someone might have put mousetraps in between each pages. It's like choosing between walking through the whole building, setting up each whoopee cushion personally, room by room, or having a team of ninja assistants who've already mapped out the entire building and rigged every chair before breakfast. The choice is clear, unless, of course, you're practicing for a marathon of inefficiency. In common language, a database index helps you find information quickly, without wasting time. It's like having a cheat sheet for the fastest prank setup. For those who love complexity, the definition would be: a database index is a data structure that improves the speed of data retrieval operations on a database table at the cost of additional writes and storage space to maintain the index data structure. If you're itching for more tech insights wrapped in humor, check out these 2 gems on the left. The top one's handpicked just for you, promising a blend of laughs and learning. The bottom? It's her latest adventure into the digital unknown. Trust me, you don't want to miss the surprises we've got in store.